Police officers were called to investigate a reported physical altercation involving an off-duty police sergeant and a male subject. The sergeant reported that while driving his personal vehicle, he encountered an individual well known from prior law enforcement encounters. The individual was standing in the middle of the road, blocking traffic and waving a skateboard. The subject was allegedly trying to instigate physical confrontations with several pedestrians.
What you got, Sergeant?
Hey, I don't know.
Hey, help me,
He's gonna go for disorderly.
He slammed me, dude.
Well, apparently you probably deserved it.
I was just skating down the street. I have these staples in my arm.
Break it down. He's 10-4.
And I need an ambulance because of my arm, where it's been slashed. Now my whole arm's numb. I have 50 staples in my arm.
You have 50 staples. All right, we're gonna sit you up.
Help me. Will you help me, please? The staples. You know about the staples in my arm.
Yep, I got it.
What do you got, Sarge?
There was no reason to slam
Front seat of my car, Sarge.
I'm not disorderly. I'm not doing nothing wrong. And my arm is paralyzed. This is really bad. You gotta please take the cuff
We're
off.
not taking the cuffs off.
This is not right. All the neighbors are watching.
Well,
He's off duty. He jumped out of his truck.
sit still. Cross your ankles. Cross your ankles.
How can he be off duty
Cross your ankles.
and jump out of his truck and slam me for no reason? And he didn't even ask me for an ID. He didn't present that he was a cop. He didn't say he had a badge. Nothing.
All right, listen. Take a deep breath.
I don't want to
What's your first name?
I don't want to disorder.
Peter,
What he did was illegal.
Can you listen to me? Don't worry about him. Talk to me.
He didn't
Are
tell
you
me.
injured?
Yeah.
It's going to be a 10-15 for disorderly.
I have 50 staples in
If
my
you,
left
hey,
arm.
do you want to
Where
take
are
it for
you
him
injured?
or?
Huh?
Okay.
Where are you injured at?
My right arm's paralyzed.
Besides the pre-existing injury.
No, it's from a day and a half ago. Like, it's really bad. Why would he? He didn't even tell me he was a cop. I'm skating down the street. He gets out of his car and then just pulls me over, and I think
Peter,
he's going to talk to me. He just slams me with
Do you need an
cuffs.
ambulance?
Yeah, man. Why would he do that? I don't want to go to jail. I'm not disorderly. Cut me a break, man.
Listen, we'll get to the bottom of it in a second, okay?
Yeah,
Just take a breath, relax,
And
okay?
then he went through my bag. I didn't even know he was a cop. How do I know? He just grabbed.
Yeah, 10-4.
My arm's paralyzed. That's not right. That dude, he's a off-duty cop. Like, I'm just skating down the street, and he tried to hit me with his truck. He tried to hit me with his truck. He's an off-duty cop.
Peter, you got an ID on you?
Yeah, he took my ID.
Where's your ID?
He
You took it?
I thought he was just trying to be nice to me and talk to me, and he just snatched me up. My arm's
What's your last
paralyzed.
name, Maple?
Yeah, I don't want to go for disorderly. I didn't do anything wrong. How do I know these? Dude,
ID on it?
He said he's got it.
all the neighbors seen it. There's witnesses. And then he slammed my face into the concrete. That's police brutality. I mean, no body cam, no nothing. Didn't present an ID. I asked him, if you're a cop, who are you? Tried to hit me. All the neighbors seen it. You see all these neighbors? They all seen it.
Is this your stuff back here?
All these neighbors seen it. Yeah. That guy
When
right
did you
there.
get out of prison, Peter?
4 months ago.
For what was it, Agastol?
I was drunk, threw my board in the car.
What's your first name, boss? Spell it.
And I don't need to go to jail or disorder. How do I?
All right, let's work
Hey,
through the
how do I know
easy
Yo,
stuff.
yo.
Peter, listen. Let's
Pay
work through the
attention.
easy stuff. Listen to this officer.
Spell your first name.
Can you guys stand me up? My arms
No.
are paralyzed.
Absolutely
It hurts.
Spell your first name.
T-E.
What?
P-E-T-E.
Pete.
Yep. No, he's straight lying, dude. I was just
What's your
skating
middle
down
name?
the street, man.
Spell your middle name.
He can't slam my face
Yo.
into the sidewalk.
Hey, focus.
Hey, put him in the back of a car and get him out of here.
No,
Go somewhere else.
No,
All right,
like,
stand
Pick him up and put him in the
I
back
can't
of the
sit
car.
in the back.
Stand up.
Because my arm's
Stand up.
paralyzed.
Okay.
All right, take him. Let's go. We'll do this quick.
Come on.
We're walking
Come on.
Loosen the
We're walking that
You,
way.
that was what you did was
Stop.
illegal. Ow, ow, ow! I have 50 staples in my arm. I didn't do nothing
Well,
wrong.
listen. I'm not touching your
I
staples.
don't want to go to jail.
Well, put your stomach on the blue line.
Can you loosen the in my hat?
No.
Too. My hat and my board.
Help him,
Ow,
sir.
there's staples in my arm. I didn't do. Where's my hat?
I'll grab your stuff over there.
He slammed me for no reason.
Up against the car, boss. Lean against the car.
I didn't do anything wrong. He grabbed me and slammed me. I did nothing wrong.
Okay, the judge will
Go out
answer
behind me.
all your questions. You're going to
Yeah.
jail. We're not
Disorderly
getting a break.
conduct, right?
That's right.
So, miss,
Resisting and disorderly conduct.
double
I
check that
didn't
sign.
resist. Why do you guys keep
Listen,
kicking?
widen your stance, man. Come on.
This is illegal. Please film this.
It's all being recorded.
It's all being recorded.
No, these people, the neighbors.
Good. Good.
Are they going to film something that we aren't?
I got staples in my arm.
You said that.
I need to go. And where's my hat?
We'll get your stuff. Don't worry.
I just
Stop.
want.
Actually, hey,
Stop being abrasive.
I need an
dude.
ambulance.
they're on the
Get
way.
in. Have a seat till the ambulance get here. Have a seat till the ambulance get here.
Give me a second.
One more time, I'm
My
going to
arm.
pack you up and put you in
My
there.
arm's paralyzed. I didn't resist.
So do what we're asking.
How can I resist to an off-duty cop that I don't even know is a cop?
Because you become abrasive and
No,
you don't do
I
what
didn't
we
know
ask
he
you
was
to
a
do.
cop.
Get in the car.
Yes, you do.
He
You
just
don't.
jumped out of his
Get
truck
in the
and
car,
grabbed
or
me.
we're gonna put you in the car.
He just jumped out of his truck and grabbed
Get
me.
all the way in the car.
You can't do that.
Get your
Off
feet in.
duty?
Get your feet in.
Come on. Do that.
Here, hold that.
Help. Ow.
Get in.
I'm good. Ow.
Obviously, you're not.
Ow.
Now when Rusty gets here, if you all want to check him out, that's fine. But he's not doing anything, but we got 6 police officers here and we're holding the traffic because he won't comply with our request.
No, I didn't do anything
Okay,
wrong.
that's nice. Don't go anywhere. Stay put.
Oops, sorry, Sarge.
It doesn't matter.
Hey, Sarge, can we get your?
Al, you requested an ambulance? So
Yeah, we got it on the way.
Oh, this guy?
Tell me what happened, Sarge.
Are you taking this?
Yep.
All right, so he knows I'm a cop.
Yep.
I just arrested him I was with Sandwick at Sloppy
Yeah,
Joe's
he
for
just said
disorderly
that.
and resisting. So I'm coming down, I was on the phone with Leahy originally, but I'm coming down like passing the nature preserve way back there.
Okay.
And I see him in the middle of the road with his skateboard, and he's got traffic stopped, and he's screaming. He's at the hood of this like black SUV, and he's screaming. He's got his bag of booze up and stuff, and he's screaming at him in the middle of the road, causing this big scene.
Okay.
So I pull up. I'm like, "Hey, you know I'm a cop." I said, "Get out of the road."
Yeah.
And then he started talking all this shit. He's like, "Oh, you're off duty. You want to do shit, blah blah blah." So I'm like, "Okay." So I'm like, "Listen, I'll have you arrested." I'm like, get out of the roadway.
Yeah.
So then I pull over way up here, and all of a sudden he knows I'm calling the cops. So he comes fucking charging all the way to my driver's side. That's why I hung up. I was trying to call Bupani.
Yeah.
I hit 911 speakerphone, and just was like, Desi, 1616 Atlantic, send me somebody real quick. And then I jumped out like as he was at my door.
Yeah.
I just unlocked the gun, and I have handcuffs in the glove compartment.
Okay.
So I
Did he
just took
swing
him
the
down.
board at you at all?
No.
Did he try to hit you?
He
at
just
all?
came right up to the door. I opened it, grabbed him, arm barred him,
Okay.
handcuffed him with my handcuffs, and then just held him on the ground until y'all got here.
Okay.
Some dude in a Tacoma pulled up behind me and was like, "Did you already call the cops?" And I don't think he could hear me, but I was like, "Yeah." I'm like, "It's good," but
Okay.
I think he called too. So.
Okay. So at the very least, we got disorderly. Did he threaten you at all? Did he make any threats towards you?
Not that I-
Okay.
I would just do disorderly resistance.
Okay. That's fine.
And then I'll write you.
No worries. No worries. We're gonna take him. You good? You need medical attention?
Absolutely not.
All right. Is he refusing to get out?
No, I didn't stop. I'm not refusing or resisting anything. Please be
Nope.
careful. There's staples in my arm. Please.
I'm not touching the staples in your arm. I'm touching your shoulder.
I'm non-violent.
I don't have my hand on your neck. It's on your forehead
Well, why
and your
is it
cheek.
there? Why
Because
is it
I don't want to smell your stinking ass breath, and I don't want you to spit on me.
So this is police
That's fine.
brutality.
Absolutely.
Okay.
4011.
You say so.
Please loosen the cuffs a little.
I can fit my fingers, 2 fingers in
Well, my
between
hand
them.
is paralyzed.
Your hand's not paralyzed.
My
All right,
arm
let's
is
go.
paralyzed.
Get back in. I got it.
I'm not resisting. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Stop turning your face towards me. I'll get in.
You guys are beating me up, man. Somebody's beating you up. Your officer, he's off duty.
Get in. If I was beating you up, you would know. I promise.
Why am I going to jail, Hal?
Get in. I already told you.
Why you hit me
I
with
tried
resisting?
to explain it to you, but you wouldn't stop talking. So now I'm not going to explain it to you. You're just going to jail. Get in.
I'm in.
Put your hands. There we go. Look at
Stop
that.
grabbing the staples. What?
I didn't touch your staples.
Al, this stuff there, you good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back and up on this call.
Yeah. Did we search it already?
I think Lieutenant Vasquez did.
Oh, hey, look at that. I'm sure that helps. Yeah.
Al, you have everything you need for our time? Alright, I'll give you all a ride.
Let me get pictures.
Can't be off duty to do that. That's illegal.
Well, it appears that it happened in this case.
Yeah, he broke the law.
Okay, well, you'll get your day in court.
He broke the law.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. He is a supervisor. Dumbass.
You want me to follow you out there? Or you can
No, we're going to ER if he acts up.
What's your name?
Sergeant Frank DuPonte.
DuPonte. You know my mom's a police officer.
Listen, dude, I've told you this 3 times. Just because you're getting arrested don't mean you're guilty. You'll have your day in court. If what you're saying is true and Syracuse is lying, you'll get out. And then
He's off duty.
Doesn't matter.
It does matter. He's not a on-duty police
Why
officer.
when you run up on him did you tell him that he's off duty?
I asked him to buy me something to eat.
Evidently, you don't want to.
You can't grab people and put them in handcuffs off duty.
handcuffs are not coming off. Where are you slaying
No, you can't grab an off-duty cop. Can't come and grab a civilian when he's not and he not addressing himself as a police officer without body cam. What he did is illegal.
And like my supervisor just told you, if that is the case and you are
It is the
innocent,
case.
you'll get your day in court.
I am innocent.
There you go.